So here is the beast, guys. Here it is, the LX700 from Viewsonic, the 4K HDR projector. And on the design, I see the plastic. It's a good strong plastic. It has one fan, one single fan. I can see that the build quality is good. We have here this sensor, remote sensor, straight ahead, guys. You can see it's beautiful, but it's taller than the other projector. This projector also, why is good to check out our reviews, has 1.36 optical zoom. So it's a lot of zoom. If you can see here, we have a lot of zoom, guys, and the optical zoom, it's very important to a projector. For those of you who buy themselves first time a projector and they want a high quality projector, well, check out our videos. The build quality and the construction is very solid. We can view our gaming features for Xbox. Here is the sensor, the lens of the projector. So here is the focus and here is the zoom. Here we have the buttons that you can change the vertical shift, the position of your image, your source menu, close and open the projector. This is an interesting thing for, you know, the remote controls don't work or don't get the signal right to the front of the projector. So this Viewsonic has another sensor right here orientated to capture from any angle into the room the signal of your remote control. Interesting. Here you have the dedicated port HDMI 1 with HDCP 2.2. And here it's the ARC. This is the connector, guys, for those of you who have the electronic screen, projector screen that will retract automatically. This one will activate and deactivate that electronic screen. We have a service port here, HDMI, that I think will give 1.5 amps. It's also good. We have a 12 volts trigger also for this 12 volts trigger with jack is also for the receivers who support it. They are receivers who will support and open and close the receiver with the remote controls of the projectors. Okay, the audio out is this one, and you have a local mechanism here. Now, guys, this is why our reviews are important. No one shows this mounting bracket. Projectors who are heavy, and this one it's a little bit of heavy, have 3 points. This one requires special mounting mechanism like this one, who you will put it with free, I don't know, over here how you can, and into the middle you will mount it with a special this is a part, only a part of the system for mounting, and you will place it here on the projector and set it up like you want. You see, you can adjust the position from every screw. You have 3 adjusting screws here, 3 positions. It's very interesting. Depending on your level surface, you can put it even on a table, but I recommend you to put it directly on the wall. I didn't tell you something. I told in the beginning of this review that it has only one fan on this side, but also it has a small fan here, very small. The noise of the projector, I gotta tell you that it's very low comparing to a lamp projector, because it doesn't require to cool down like a lamp projector. This one has 180 watts. A lamp projector has 240 watts at the PX748. I really don't understand why manufacturers do not mount silent fans. They are silent fans with good airflow, and I don't really know why they don't mount these fans. Aren't expensive.